So welcome guys, I'm back in another weekly analysis video. In this video, I will go through step by step in gold chart that what's the upcoming trades for scalpers, swing traders and intraday traders. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. So this is the chart. I have placed my trade here. I will discuss the logic afterwards, but first remove all the drawings. I remove all the drawings and now let's go deep to it. First we will go to daily time frame and mark apart trend. So we saw that prices gave us a bullish break of structure to the upside here, which confirms us that the trend has officially shifted bullish. Then again price gave us an internal break of structure. Now we know that the trend on daily time frame is obviously bullish. So we marked our daily strong. This is a daily strong, and then this is our daily weak. And now our daily range has been marked. Now we will shift down to a 4-hour time frame and mark up our 4-hour swing and internal range. So the internal range of daily time frame is known as 4-hour swing range. That's the logic. Understand that. If you wanted to mark the swing range of 4-hour time frame, go to one daily time frame and mark its internal range and you will get 4-hour swing range. And if you want 1-hour range, mark 4-hour internal range, you will got 1-hour range. That's the plan. From this you will get simple and clear range of time frames. So this is our 4-hour time frame range. Now we will go to 4-hour. Yes, our 4-hour internal range has not marked. So we saw that price is coming down. See here price gave us a fractal market shift and a break of structure, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Then gave us market shift, then gone up and down. So this was the last break of structure to the downside. So now price gave us a market shift to it, which confirms that the 4-hour internal range has been shifted bullish. So we mark it as our 4-hour internal range. This is our market shift. Now we saw that prices also gave us a bullish break of structure to the upside on 4-hour internal range. So we mark this as a 4-hour internal range. Now if this is the last break of structure to the upside, this is the low which made this break of structure. This is our 4-hour internal range and this is our 4-hour internal high, means weak. We mark this as our 4-hour weak high. Now you all are thinking that why I haven't marked these as a break of structure. This is not a break of structure because the moment price break past this, price again recovered and broken past this fractal structure. And if this was a valid break of structure, this price came here and it should go down, but price break past this, it confirms us the trend is bullish, not bearish. This was just a liquidity sweep. This was a liquidity sweep. Now we mark this as a fractal break of structure to upside. This is a fractal market shift. Then this is a break of structure to the upside, bullish break of structure, and then this is the bullish break of another bullish break of structure to the upside. Now you are thinking that why I have marked this liquidity sweep a breakout structure. This is not a liquidity sweep. Now let me teach you that how to see is the breakout structure a real valid breakout structure or it's a liquidity sweep. See here price came, gave us a breakout structure. Now this was a point of interest. If price break past these, this was not a breakout structure, but price, this is a 1 hour breakout structure. So we will shift to 1 hour and we will see it from a bird eye view. See, on 1 hour time frame, price break past these levels, okay, and it doesn't came back down to, to the range. Means it doesn't came back in like this. It's not a liquidity sweep. It, how do we confirm that it is a liquidity sweep or a breakout structure? We confirm it by if price came in and retest to a point of interest in the breakout structure which led to the breakout structure. For this is the point of interest which led to this bullish breakout structure. Price came here, respected it and gone up. This is how we see is it a bullish breakout structure or it's a liquidity sweep. And see, in this price came here, break past these, then because this and this was the point of interest which led to this breakout structure, but price doesn't respected it and break past it. It's a liquidity sweep. This thing will help you more than anything else, because I got confused in breakout structure and liquidity sweep and therefore I lose too much money. Now this is the breakout structure, recent breakout structure. So this is a 1 hour strong low and this is a 1 hour weak high. And now you can see the magic. We were on this big gigantic daily range and now then we shifted our focus to this little 4 hour swing range. Then we shifted our focus even smaller to this 4 hour internal range, and then we shifted our focus to this 1 hour range, and then again we are shifting our focus to 15-minute range. Now this is the last breakout structure market shift. This is the recent market shift to the upside in 15-minute time frame. Then price again gave us a bullish breakout structure to the upside. Here is the same logic. You can see that after the bullish breakout structure, price came on this point of interest, respected it and gone up, means going up. Today's market close, so we are not seeing any momentum. Now let me mark this as a 15-minute weak strong low. This is a 15-minute strong and this is a 15-minute weak. Now we have our swing range and swing. We have our 4 hour, 1 hour, daily and 15-minute range. But where to enter? Yes, that's the next point. Where to enter? And now we will mark our point of interest. Point of interest are the areas where we enter. Example, bullish demand zone or any order block or supply zone, etc. So we saw that this, see, marking point of interest here is waste of time, because price has already broken past days. So now we will mark the point of interest here. We will go to 1 hour time frame and mark our refined zones. We saw that this was the last bullish breakout structure. So this is the point of interest which led to this breakout structure. Then we saw that this is an order block. This is a valid order block. Now order blocks, how to mark a valid order block? There are 4 steps. Number 1, it should have an imbalance like this. Let me go through the live example. no drawings, just a live example. See, it should have a imbalance. So our first criteria is it should have imbalance. This have imbalance. Our first criteria has been checked. Number two, it should lead to a liquidity sweep. So we can see that it led to a liquidity sweep. Number three, it should not be mitigated. Yes, it's unmitigated. Number four and final, it should lead to a breakout structure. So it checks off all the criteria in the valid order block scenario. This is a valid order block. Then we saw that price again gave us a liquidity sweep and gone up from here and gave us a bullish breakout structure. Now marking these point of interest is useless because price has already broken past this. So this is a 1 hour point of interest, and now we will mark our 15-minute point of interest. Price has already gave us this bullish breakout structure, so marking here point of interest is the point of interest where we are thinking that price will break past this 15-minute range. So if we think that this is a protected low, we will only mark the point of interest which are in the range. So this is the point of interest which led to this breakout structure. So we mark this point of interest. Now let me go through a step-by-step entry and exit plan for swing, intraday and scalpers. Now, first, if you are a swing trader, you have to enter after the price mitigate this. Means, see, price is here, price is here. Okay, now this is a 1 hour point of interest. But if you are so conservative, you can wait for price to come on one of these point of interest, then wait for a liquidity sweep or another criteria what your anti model says. Like example, you want liquidity sweep, you enter after liquidity sweep, or you enter after market shift, and then you enter here. Either or. If you want to enter on the extreme point of interest, you can enter on extreme point of interest. But if you wanted to enter on these point of interest, you can enter on these point of interest. But if you are aggressive like me and you think that if price break past this 1 hour range, it means the internal structure has been shifted bearish. So for the internal structure to stay bullish, price has to hold above this level. It means we are thinking, we are anticipating that this is a valid point of interest. So you can enter after price swept a liquidity sweep here, or you can even enter here and target this because prices already gave us a liquidity sweep on this point of interest and gave us a fractal bullish breakout structure. So for swing trader, the plan is that if you are conservative, you are so conservative, wait for price to come on one of these point of interest and enter after the liquidity sweep and target this 1 hour weak range, weak high, or this 4 hour weak high. Choice is yours. And if you are aggressive, you can even enter here on this point of interest because price has already swept this liquidity and gave us a fractal breakout structure. Okay, and target this 1 hour weak high, or you can even target this 4 hour weak high because the objective of price is to go up because see, price is making higher highs, higher lows, high highs, high lows. So it means the 4 hour internal range is bullish. Means price has to break past these high. So in order to break past these high, price has to go up. So if you are so aggressive and you wanted to swing for the fences, you can target this range, this 4 hour week high. And now our another plan is for intraday and scalpers. Now if you are an intraday trader, price has already broken past the 15-minute high and made a market shift, then a breakout structure. It means the 15-minute range is bullish. Then price came to this strong, means a valid high probability 15-minute demand zone, which confirms us that the trend is bullish and price give us a momentum, a V-shaped liquidity sweep, which confirms that the buying volume is still alive. Now, for the intraday trader, our plan is that prices gave us a fractal market shift to the upside here, and now we wanted to wait for either price came on these point of interest, gave us a liquidity sweep, and then we will enter here. We will enter here after a liquidity sweep, and then set a stop loss here and target these 15-minute week high or this 1 hour week high if you are an intraday trader. But if you are a swing trader, you can target this 4-hour week high and swing from the fences. It will give you about 15 to 16 hour. This is a plan for swing and intraday trader. And if you are a scalper, you wanted to wait for price to come on this point of interest. This is the valid point of interest. This is not a valid point of interest. It's just an inducement for smart money to trap the retail trader. Wait for price to come on this point of interest. He was a push pull inducement. Enter here. Let me set a long position too. Enter here. Set your stop loss below this point of interest if you are conservative, or below this liquidity sweep. This is also protected. And set your stop loss on this high or this high. That's for the scalpers. And if you wanted to swing for the fences, you can even target this 15 minute. But if you are a scalper, don't target this 1 hour because it will go so long. That's the plan for swing, intraday, and scalper. Now, comment down that how was the analysis. Rate my analysis from 10, and then I will see. And also, if you want one more improvement or some improvement in this weekly analysis or my another videos, comment down that what should I improve, and I will try to improve it. And if you want a step-by-step bulletproof risk management framework, check out this video and you will get that full risk management tutorial guide in your hand. At the end of that video, I have also gave you the step-by-step risk management guide download link direct to your DM. So check out that video. And this was the full weekly analysis of gold. If you want like analysis on another pairs like GBP, JPY, or Euro USD, comment down below and I will make the weekly analysis.